Hey folks, weather got interesting for a couple of hours this afternoon, and then poof, it was gone just as quickly as it fired up as a weak cool front moves through the area. Boy, the heaviest rain was right through the middle of McAllen. It caused an awful lot of street flooding, some power outages, some lights out, traffic backing up. Still a few leftover light showers out there, but nothing really big. This is where the last thunderstorm was, right out on the county line. There's Sullivan City, La Victoria, but that has faded away. But maybe some light stuff popping up this evening. But for the most part, as Future Track suggests, it moves out and then we're done after an evening shower in a couple of spots. And then tomorrow, turning mostly sunny, the humidity fades away. And you go to Friday, it's a cooler morning, relatively speaking, probably starting the upper 60s, not too humid. Looks like a comfortable afternoon on Friday as well, even with temperatures climbing back into the 90s. Here's where we are right now. 80s once again, pretty much every place. Rio Grande City reading is missing, but 84 in McAllen, 85 in Edinburg and Weslaco. Look at the rest of South Texas, and this is what I want to point out and talk about this cool front that's on its way in. It's going to lower the humidity. These are current air temperatures, 87 in Brownsville. That's the coolest reading on the map. Corpus is the same, but Brownsville's the coolest on the map. Now, let's look at the feels like temperature, the heat index. Suddenly, Brownsville's the hottest temperature on the map, and that's because the dew points up here are so much lower. These are the dew points, 44 in San Antonio, 66 in Laredo, but 78 in Brownsville. So it feels much hotter because the humidity is so much higher. What are the actual relative humidity levels? 20% in San Antonio, 74% in Brownsville. So again, it feels much warmer down here than it does up there, even though our actual temperature is cooler. A good example of that today as our front makes its way through. Look at these dew points in the valley right now, 76 to 79, little drier out north of Edinburg at the airport out there, but we're going to put that 78 on the Muggy meter, and we are near the top. Doesn't go a whole lot higher than that typically, so really humid air in place. But if you look at the next few days, look what happens. We go from oppressive down to very humid and then down into the almost comfortable. I mean, muggy, yes, and overnight maybe a little comfy actually, but dew points dropping into the 60s for a few days. And for June, that's pretty good. Rarely do we get out of the 70s this time of year. So even with dew points in the 60s, we'll warm back to the 90s tomorrow afternoon, but the humidity much lower tomorrow, just like it is across the rest of the state. So it should feel a whole lot better across the area tomorrow and all the way into the weekend. Temperatures, again, 94 is the average for this time of year, 93, 91, 93, nowhere near the records and a little bit below normal. So enjoy that while it lasts. Look ahead to the weekend, 93 both are on Saturday, 92 on Sunday, upper 60s each morning, like 68, 69 degrees, but plenty of sunshine with the low humidity. Looks pretty nice across the area. And if you're going to be at the beach, a little cooler there, 86, a little more humid there. Dew points will come back up first there, so it'll be more humid. Winds primarily out of the northeast as we head into the weekend. So for tonight, 73 for your low. That evening thunderstorm fading away. Still could be something the next couple of hours. That should be about it. Then tomorrow, mostly sunny, breezy, less humid. Your high tomorrow afternoon around 93 degrees, northeast winds all day. Here's a look at the next 7 days now, and we keep temperatures in the low to mid 90s until about Tuesday when we warm it up a little bit. Next chance for a shower, just an isolated shower on Monday. But the weekend, low 90s for highs, upper 60s for lows. Looks pretty good. That's your updated First Alert 5 AccuWeather forecast.